Hey everybody, welcome to Ocala Garage. My name's Thomas. I just got done filming a fail video, so I thought I would film a success video. My 2011 Audi Q5, the headlights are stupid low when we're driving down the road, and so I've been meaning to adjust them, and just finally decided to take the time to figure out how to adjust them, and I'm going to take you guys through that quick journey. So first of all, I'm going to open the hood, put the headlights on. I have to put the ignition in, put the car set to on. Don't start it. You can start it if you want. And then I'm going to turn the headlights on, and I will see you guys over here. Okay, so you can see it's a little bit too bright outside right now, but you can see I've got the headlights on the vehicle. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this simple little Allen wrench, dude. Don't ask me the size. It is the size that fits that. You can see right there. So I'm going to put this in there and see if we can get both of these. I'm going to turn, and you can see that the light goes up and the headlight goes down. Here, let's show. This is clockwise to lower, counterclockwise to raise. Of course, what you should be doing is backing the vehicle up, I think 20 feet, you put a strip on, there's measurements, things like that. All I really did is raise them up about 2 inches on the wall, on the door here. Just kind of eyeballed it. We'll see what it looks like. Anyway, I just needed kind of a quick win after my epic fail of the last video. If you're interested, go check that out. Otherwise, that is it. That is at least for the horizontal up and down, horizontal height adjustment, left and right. I'm not sure where that is. So hopefully all you have to do is raise your headlights. If you're looking to turn them left or right, I got nothing for you. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you next time.